Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and I'm here with a really fun craft today, and it's a BB8 craft. And we are having a whole month of September Star Wars theme, and we are trying to get everybody we can to sign up for a library card. So please come in and get a library card. Now this craft looks like a lot of work, but believe me, it's not. First of all, this is what it's going to look like when it's finished, minus this part that I'm going to put on in a minute. So what you get in your craft kit this week is you get a plain paper plate that you'll use. You'll get half of a circle that you'll need. You will get, oh my gosh, a BB8 coloring sheet. I love that. I like that one. And you'll get a word search. Keep your skills sharp. Now, all of these things you're like, I can't cut all those out. Oh, yes, you can, because guess what? Here's the trick to it. When you cut these out, you don't have to cut out all the white parts because you're putting it on a white plate. So what you do is you just cut this out, and it's just a circle. And you can use a glue stick, or you could use Elmer's glue, school glue if you want to let it dry. And this one right here, you'll have a picture. This one will go here. And I just put him on there. And do you see how easy that was? So you really only have some circles to cut out. And this part right here, this half of a circle, you cut the pieces out and make the top part of your BB8. So it looks really, really complicated and hard. And you can say, oh, look at all this work I did. But it wasn't that much work. So I want you to have a good time. Make yourself a BB8. Have fun with it. Try to get in here and see us and get a library card. We miss you. See you soon, guys. Bye.